To our honorable friends out there, we appreciate you. And welcome back once again as we are continuing from where we stopped yesterday. So today, we continue from where we stopped. Don't forget that we wrote 2 examples yesterday, which you saw the first one yesterday. So today, we are working on the second example. Let's see the second example and let's see how this question should be solved. Don't forget, in this example, we are looking for P, we are looking for T, and we are looking for M. So this is a 3-in-1 question. Well, don't let us be scared, as this is very easy to solve. Now, let's check it out. According to our theorem 4, look at it very well. I've told you, whenever you want to solve circle geometry, always try to pick out the identification of what you are seeing here. Look at this question. In this question, we are having diameter. Since diameter is present in this question, this is telling you that it is likely that there will be theorem 4. You can see that in this question as well, we are having chords. I told you that whenever you are having chords, what should come to your mind is either we are having theorem 2 or we are having theorem 3. It is now left for you to shift them out. Which one is the right or the appropriate theorem for the chord? If you now check it, you will see that there is a particular chord producing 2 angles. This is telling you that theorem 3 is present in this question. And that is how you identify your circle geometry. When you are able to identify, it becomes more easier to solve. Now, let's bounce into the question. Look at chord CD. Your chord CD is the one that is producing your angle 40 and is the one that is producing your angle P. Chord CD. Your chord CD produced angle 40 degrees and is the same chord C producing angle P. Are you saying it? Chord CD, this is it. It comes back. Look at the same chord CD again. Look at it. It's still the one producing angle B, angle P. So from here, this shows from the diagram, or let me say from the perspective of your reason, this implies that your angle P will be equals to, our angle P will be equals to 40 degrees. Why? Angles in the same segments. Angles in the same segments. Angles in the same segments. Now, we are done with P. The next one is now, let's move to T. Check your T out very well. Angle AC, or let me say line. Line AC is a diameter. Are you seeing it? Line AC is a diameter. And this implies that your line AC is producing an angle that is facing it. And what is that angle? Your line AC is producing angle D. Check it out. Angle D. This place. So, this implies that angle AC, line AC, produced angle D. Inside your angle D, it contains angle T and angle 35 degrees. We can see it here. Angle T and angle 35 degrees. Which implies that, this implies that angle D is equals to 90 degrees. Why? Angle produced by a diameter. That's the short form of writing diameter. Are we following? Now, from here, This implies that our angle D will be equals to T plus 35 degrees. T plus 35, let me write it very well. Our angle D is equals to T plus 35 degrees. Are you following? Now, this implies that for us to get our T is no more a problem. Since you already know that our angle D is 90 degrees, this implies that 90 degrees will be equals to T plus 35 degrees, which implies that our T will be equals to 90 degrees minus 35 degrees. What will be our final answer? This implies that our T will give us 55 degrees. That is how we solve our question. Now we have gotten angle P. We have gotten angle T, remaining angle L. How do we identify that? Let's check it out. Let us close angle AB and see what will happen. By the time I close my angle AB, you will see that by the time I close my line AB, my chord AB, you will see that it is my chord AP. My chord AB is producing two angles as well. Look at it, let's place it. Chord AB produce angle T. Chord AB produce angle L. We can see it. So write it down. Chord AB produced angle T and angle L. What is this one referring to? This is referring to theorem 3. This implies that since angle T is equals to 55 degrees, this implies that our N will be equals to 55 degrees. Why? Angle in the same segment. Therefore, P is equal to 40 degrees, T is equal to 55 degrees, and M is equal to 55 degrees. So this is the end of today's work. So you can see that is how we solve our circle geometry. Once you don't know theorem, you don't know circle geometry. But once you're able to do your theorem, then you're able to solve your circle geometry. Now, before we go, let me give you your own work to do. Try this exercise out and tell me your own answer. Exercise. Find the missing letters. Find the missing letters. In the diagram below. Number 1. Okay, so according to this question, you have to find your letter R, Q, I, and C. Okay? So that is the end of today's class. We meet next time. Thank you.